Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it to get the regular notification when I upload my videos. In this channel, I will upload a lots of video related to Salesforce admin and development. Like I am working in the Salesforce domain, so I will guide you throughout your Salesforce journey. I will try to create a playlist similar to which you get in some paid courses. My plan is that. Now, without wasting time, let's get started in our first video. Firstly, I will explain you what exactly Salesforce is and why there is so much of hype about the Salesforce. Like why it has captured so much of market in current days. So Salesforce is basically a cloud-based CRM software, and I know you already have heard this definition, so I will explain you by breaking it into pieces. Like in Salesforce, we do not have to download any software or set up any hardware in our device. We just need a PC and we just need to create an account in the Salesforce, which is free of cost, and we will get our instance within a second. We call it as org or organization. In this org, you can do anything. This is your property, and you can play around your object, build applications. Some standard apps is there, which you get out of the box. And also Salesforce is a multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant architecture means there is a single server. There is single server, and like there are many PCs, or you can say it as a companies. There are many companies which get license, and every company has its own space in the server. And it is managed so smoothly that there is no any chance of data collision or data mixing. So we call it as a multi-tenant architecture because there is single server and but client are many. Like we all know, Salesforce is used in each and every companies nowadays. And I also used the word CRM. What is that? Like CRM is a customer relationship management. It means that to grow our business, we need our customer and we have to manage their data, provide support and services so that when the same customer will come next time, we do not have to enter all their informations like it is followed in Big Bazaar, KFC nowadays. It also help our business to interact with their customers, solve their problem, make them happy. Without CRM tool, business cannot grow. So Salesforce is capturing market every day. More than 150 million companies uses Salesforce nowadays, and this number will grow continuously in upcoming days. And one of the important thing, like Salesforce is not just a CRM tool. It also provides us ability to create our own applications, object, field, also help us to customize them. It also provides some out-of-the-box applications, object, field, which we call as standard applications, standard object, standard field, which we will see in our later videos. And also one important thing, like Salesforce also provides some automation tools like drag and drop tools, you can say point and click tools, like workflow rule, process builder, flows, like no other CRM tools can provide such a features in a single place. Salesforce is packed with many features that no other CRM tools will provide. We get so much of features in one place. We can configure our org instance in our own way. If CRM is not used, then we have to maintain customer data in Excel sheet. Now you can think how difficult it will be to maintain a customer data in the Excel sheet. So Salesforce is booming nowadays. I think now you have understood what is Salesforce. Now let's see about how the Salesforce ecosystem look like. Now guys, this is the Salesforce ecosystem. Like it has almost all the features which I mentioned previously. We will see all the things detailedly in our upcoming videos, so don't worry about that. I will teach you each and everything which is necessary to be a Salesforce administrator or a developer. You might wondering about Salesforce Customer 360 degree, what it means. And sorry for the handwriting, guys. Like Salesforce Customer 360 degree means like you can say 360, it provides us 360 view of our business process. Like it helps us to work smartly, efficiently, and deliver product to our customer. Like in this figure you are seeing, like there are many words written like sales, services, marketing. These all are the cloud provided by the Salesforce, like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and many more things. And also Salesforce has its own learning platform which we call Trailhead. I will show this in the next video. And also it provides platform to build our applications, objects, and many things. And this cloud target to different business accordingly. Like Sales Cloud is used by our sales team to track their product revenue, track the revenue, get insight of their sales. And this Service Cloud provides services to our customers. Like if you bought something like TV or refrigerator, then after some years the service may require. So Salesforce also provide that functionality to our customers. And there is also Marketing Cloud, which is basically useful to market our product through by creating some campaign or through emails and some other social media platforms. And Commerce Cloud is basically used in B2B or B2C business. And there is also a Community Cloud to group, to connect employee, partners, colleagues. And you are also seeing, like I told, there are some, it provides some automation intelligence like workflow rule, process builder, flows, and they are low code. We do not have to code much, but yeah, we need our logical thinkings. I don't want to make this video so long. This was just an introductory video about the Salesforce. And we will be going through each and every topics detailedly. I will be sharing my screen and I will show my org. I will help you to create your org, because without org you cannot do anything. Like without practicing, no one can be good in anything, like in Salesforce or in technology. So from next video I will show my screen and guide you step by step to become good in Salesforce technology, because this is booming. So everyone wants to be good in Salesforce, and competition is also high in the market. So from next video we will start our journey officially, and I will guide you through your Salesforce journey. I will do lots of hands-on to make your doubt clear by just not giving you theoretical knowledge. I will show each and every step, like how to create object, field, and also the relationship between them, how to build relationship. These all things will comes in our later video. So this was the introductory video. So thank you guys for being in this video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, keep growing and learning, and also teaching others what you have knowledge inside you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.